What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, GundamFan, and today's video is another tips and tricks video on how to repair ball joints that have snapped. Excuse me. Unfortunately with the wing car kits you only get one base hand, i.e. I can get it in short, this bit. You only get one because it's got interchangeable fingers. Now, I think this is a poor design choice because once one bit snaps, you're buggered. So, while having interchangeable fingers is nice, I do prefer moulded hands. You know, because it's just less weak. And also, these have got tiny little holes in the posts. Can you see that? Now, that weakens it even more. So, what you can do is put a bit of super glue in there mixed with some baby powder or bicarbonate of soda or something like that, and it acts as a filler and takes up that space. Whether it adds any strength or not, I don't know, but I think it would help. What I did was, because the actual port for the hand is really small, tight, I went to pull the hand out and I pulled the ball joint off. It's that fragile. I've not even applied any paint yet. So what I've done is I've sanded the ball joint down. I can't do this, and I'm pushed for space. Let's put it that way, and everything's really intricate. So I've got it on the vise. As you can see, I've drilled a little hole with this little drill bit because it's inadequate size. So always go with an adequate size post to the hole. You don't want it too big. Because you still want plastic to bite onto. See that hole there? It's crap. So I'm gonna fill that with a bit of super glue. And what I did is once I drilled that, I then pushed the drill bit itself in and just cut it off. Now you can get brass. I did get some brass, but it was the wrong size. But at least with the drill bit, one, you've got a bit of drill shaft to work with, a bit of material to work with, and two, once you've drilled it, you know what size you want. So you're providing the whole drilling device and the material at the same time, if you don't mind butchering a drill bit, and they are cheap. You know, these modeling drill bits, I think I've got these Vorlux HSS twist drill bits, 20 pieces. I think I've got them on eBay for about £2.99, £3. And that's all you need. And a little hand vise. I mean, that's it. It's easy as that. And then what you do is you can then, once you've drilled both ends, you can pop this on, size it all up, sand the break down so it's a nice marriage, and then glue it in place. Put glue on the shaft, push it down, let it set, and then you're good to go. Hopefully this is going to sort the problem out. This is the first time I have had to do this, but coming from a little bit of a background in engineering and stuff like that, this is all I can think of that would actually work, barring you know, going getting some third-party hands or some Bandai hands for this particular kit. So it's you know, it's that is what it is. I'm not going to flesh this video out any longer than it has to be. Oh no, I just found another drill. Just fell out of that tub. Tiny little thing. I'll probably never ever need to drill a hole that small, but I've got one just in case. But that's it. I use some really crappy steel cutters. These are Draper, you know, for bits like this, and you know, you can get expensive wire cutters, that's fine, but for modeling, you know, just a cheap set of Drapers will do you. Always have stuff like that lying around, bits of rods and polystyrene, and I mean, I was thinking about using a polystyrene mod, because polystyrene on polystyrene, you know, it's ideal. But I'm hoping that this, you know, will add a little bit of strength to it. But that's it. I'm going to leave it there, guys. Hopefully this has worked. Hopefully it'll work for you. Let me know in the comments if you tried this, or if it's worked for you. Because I like your feedback. That'd be great. If you got this far, really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and check out the playlist of other tips and tricks that I've put up there. I'll put it up there somewhere. And as always, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.